Hey guys, we're back with another recipe from 30-minute Paleo Meals. Today we're going to be doing Asian chicken salad. There's no picture, but there it is right there. This one has a lot of vegetables. I have really noticed that I am not a big vegetable person, but we will keep trekking forward. So just to let you know, I am cooking a pound of chicken outside. It is raining here in Arizona. I can show you guys what it looks like outside. It has been it rained all day yesterday. We don't get rain here in Arizona very often. You can see that the pool is almost full of water. I thought yesterday that it would go over, but it's almost there. It's got like maybe another 2 inches before it starts going over, but that is what it looks like outside today. So I can't grill due to that, so that's why I'm cooking them inside. And then we're gonna boil some water here to cook our green beans. So I'm gonna put some water in this pot here and cook our fresh green beans. Let me go ahead and get that started here. So I have already cut up a lot of the stuff already. So let me quickly get this water filled and we'll be right back. So I have my fancy platter here that we're going to put all of the ingredients on. I'm waiting for the water to boil to put the green beans in. But while we're waiting on that, we're going to arrange the greens. So we're doing baby greens, 4 cups of greens. So I just got this here. You can see it here. I honestly don't know how much this is in here, but we're going to just use the whole thing. If I can get it open here. There we go. There we go. And we're just going to arrange it really pretty here. The last salad I did was similar to this, and my husband really liked it. Very pretty. And then we're going to add on the scallions. So I cut up scallions, 3 scallions already. So this is the scallions here. And that's the first thing I do not like is onions, scallions, anything with like a bitter taste to it. But there we go. That is the onions. And then we're going to add yellow pepper. So I've never had, I like green pepper, but I've never had the yellow pepper. So you do 2 peppers. You can do different colors, whatever you want. You can do red, orange, yellow. I picked the yellow, so we'll see how this does. But cut up 2 and slice them. So the color looks really good. I like the presentation of it, but I don't know how well I'm gonna like all of it together. Okay, so there's that. Let me just peel these up so that they're not stuck together. There we go. And then we're gonna add in the carrots, which are the shredded carrots. I already got some already, and this is 1.5. So I'm just going to use my eyes to kind of spread it around here. And kind of put that color on there. That looks really good. I'll have to make some carrot cake with the rest of this. I love carrot cake. And then we're going to do half a cucumber. I already sliced them up here. There they are. And then just dice it around here. Make it look really pretty. Again, if you were having a fancy dinner, this would be a really good presentation salad. All the colors. the different types of vegetables. Like I said, I'm not a big vegetable person, I'm finding out in this recipe book. Hopefully when we get to the seafood and meat section, I will be more enthused, but right now I am not. Then we're going to take some red seedless grapes. I already diced them up. You cut them in half. Just toss that around here. So I'm going to put these in the oven to toast for a few minutes. Put them in there for 4 minutes or so. And then we're going to add J-A-C-A-M-A. I have never had this before. I should grab my phone so I can show you guys a picture of what it looks like. Hold on just a second. Actually, I'll just add a picture in it later, but here's the diced jamaica, I believe it's called. And it's 1 cup. Like I said, I've never had this before. I know some people in the keto will make French fries out of it, so I'm not sure. I've never had it before. So just again, this is just raw. It doesn't say to cook it or anything like that, so I'm not sure. I guess we could take a bite out of it. It's almost like raw potatoes. Not a fan. Then not a fan of cilantro. Half a cup of cilantro. I am not a fan of cilantro. It's this smell. It's a very woodsy smell. This is our presentation of the salad, which it looks fantastic. The colors are amazing. Now we're going to shred up the chicken and add that on top of here. So let me go ahead and get that chicken over here so we can dice it up. So our almonds are done. I've got those just chilling right here. They're toasted. And then we got some green beans in the water here boiling. I think we have to boil it for 4 minutes. So I'm going to put the timer on really quickly here. Myself, they're kind of hot, but there we go. Move this out of the way now. Back to the chicken here, kind of just dicing it up a little bit more. There we go. Okay, and then we're going to put this on here. So I'm just going to kind of toss it around here. This is a serving for 4 people. It's huge. It's a huge salad. Just for me and my husband, it's a lot. And I don't even know if I'm going to like it. So that looks really good. I love, again, the color. Some of the chicken is too chunky here. And then we're going to let those green beans cook. And we're going to make a dressing here. So let me get that ready here. Going to grab a bowl and mix this dressing up. And I'll give you that title here in just a minute of this dressing. Let me just try and get this chicken shredded up a little bit better. There we go. Take these green beans and put them in this ice cold bath water. There we go. Let them chill for a few minutes here. Okay, So that just stops the cooking. And then we're going to drain this and then set this aside while we make the dressing. Dressing is called Asian almond butter dressing, and let me find it here. 193. There it is. So we're gonna take a half a cup of unsalted almond butter, which I've got right here. My pages. So we're gonna take that. This just out. Almond butter is so thick. I think I said that in another video too. But there is our half a cup of almond butter, and then we're going to add 4 limes. So I've got some here. And then just squeeze out the lemon, or the lime, I'm sorry, lime. Whoop. There we go. I'm going to do this a couple more times, and then we're going to add in some fish sauce. Kind of strange for dressing, but we're going to try it. The fish sauce here, and it's a third of a cup. What did I do with that? This is going to take a while. Maybe I should just take main dish. And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of honey. I can't squeeze and hold this all at once. Now a little bit more. I kind of want to I'm just going to put it in like this. There we go. And then we're going to add in the horrible apple cider vinegar, which is 2 tablespoons also. Like I said, this almond butter is just so thick. I don't understand how whisk together. Okay, let's Brax. It doesn't matter what brand you use. It's all disgusting. And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And we're going to just stir this, and this is our dressing. So it's going to take me a while to stir this out, but I'm going to go ahead and do this off of camera, and then we'll come back and can go ahead and put the green beans on this really quickly. Like I said, this green beans just seems like it's too much. And it says to use a pound of green beans, which to me seems like a lot. Let's just go back and see, make sure. 1 cup, okay, so not that much, so we'll just do that. I thought it said 1 pound, but 1 cup. And we'll be back and we'll add the dressing and try this atrocity of a salad. Okay guys, so this salad looks fabulous. Here is the dressing. It looks more like a peanut sauce than it does a dressing, but this is what we got. So I'm going to drizzle this over here. Very, very vinegary almost. But we're going to just drizzle this on this salad here. This definitely ruins the color of the presentation for sure. But that looks like a poopy mess. But here we go. We're gonna try it. Let's see if I can get. Okay, so I've got a yellow pepper, a chicken, and some green beans. So let's try this and see. I haven't even reached down to grab the lettuce. That peanut sauce or the dressing definitely makes it taste really good. The chicken tastes really good. It's kind of dry because I had to cook it on the freaking oven. But trying a yellow pepper for the first time. It's a little bit spicier than a green pepper. That isn't bad. A little more heat to me than a green pepper. Green pepper doesn't really have much taste. Okay, so this bite here has a cucumber. That dressing definitely makes it taste really good. With all the different vegetables in here, the grapes, and as you can tell, I'm starving, so that's why I'm eating this like crazy. But it's not that bad actually. It actually tastes really good. Paleo, you brought it back. I was doubting you, but it tastes really good actually. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!